tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me.
Through? We'll just have to see, eh? See how many trees are actually down? Oh, it's flooded?
Right back here.
But once we get over the wetness, we should be okay. Oh. You think you can get around it to get out? So we don't have to go back through that muck? If you go under that way, maybe. Just don't get your throttle stuck. We're good. Maybe. What about that other one that's down up there too? Are you gonna get around that one?
Oh, fuck, yeah, let's just turn around.
Go the other way, maybe we can get up.
The other way so we get stuck and then get out.
You can get through that. Be careful your tire don't spin on it. There's a mushroom. Whole bunch of them right there too.
Oh.
Same type. Mushrooms, yeah. Aren't those turkey tails? Yeah, they're last year's probably.
People who pick it too. Oh yeah. That's how you find mushrooms. You gotta know what.
Yeah-ish. Trying. Yeah, I threw. Just a little. You get kind of stuck with the sticks. You just kind of squeeze through. Follow the trail. My throttle don't feel good. This one got my peg. And my throttle feels like the spring came out or something. What a mess. It is a bit. Okay. Yeah, a whole bunch, a whole family in here. Yeah, you just gotta hop, skippity dop over a couple logs and you'll find them. It hasn't been too bad. Uh-oh. Yeah, you just go through. But there's a log in the end. But where are you going?
It goes that way, doesn't it?
Yeah. Because that looks like a dead end over there, no? Where you are? Oh. Ooh. I think you can go under that. It doesn't look like it's gonna fall, you think?
Maybe not.
Or go around the other side of it. You go, you went the hardest route, Kev. You went the hardest route. Huh. We're good. You didn't get poked by no sticks. Yeah.
I got a big thick coat on, so I can just pass through it.
I don't care either. It usually just pokes my leg. The one I got poked. And I got big boots on too, so.
last one right here. Worst case, you're probably because it's right near the water, eh? Old car. Worst case of them all, probably right in the water, I would think. Rusted away fast. What's been out there the longest.
That way. That way, I think. I don't know if I can go out that way. I don't know about this, Kevin. How did you get yours on an angle like that? Like that. Okay. Turn. Alright. Have fun. Why can't we just jump them? We gotta learn how to jump these things. Oh. Oh. Or I gotta start lifting weights. I'm out of shape. Where?
Usually we don't have this side of the town.
For the layers I wore, I'm sweating nuts.
Yeah, me too.
Fuck. Trying to get us out of here. This spot's always mud every year. Holy fuck, Kevin. Don't get too close. Kevin, how the fuck did you do that? Ugh. You're just gonna sink.